we do. And I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that we measure ourselves on a lagging indicator rather than a leading indicator. And due to that, a lot of the value of customer success isn't tied back into a business per se. And if you think about how a business works, it's ultimately a profit and loss statement. How much money do you make? How much loss does a business make? And more times than not, customer success is tied to the loss leader rather than the profit center due to the fact of the way that we are perceived due to, I think, my personal experience is that we use NRR as our leading metric, which is actually a lagging metric because it's something that you're looking back to try to forecast the future. But as we know, stellar NRR in 2021 and 22 led to not so stellar NRR in 2023. So if that's not evidence enough that we're measuring based on a lagging indicator, then I don't know what else is. But to bring back to Steve's point about perceived value in CS and how you align that internally, other than making sure as a leader, but even as a CSM, that your value is towards a leading metric that's bringing profit into the business. That's my first standpoint on that. I very much believe in aligning the wider team to the entire customer journey. So that means that from your BDRs to your CFO to your support engineers to the product managers, everyone should know exactly what's happening with the customer from the day they hit your website to the day they exit your company. And I think that a lot, if I were to ask some engineers in some companies, they wouldn't know how an onboarding of a customer would work. And the same thing goes for, I don't know, an SDR or a BDR. They're still working on building this pipeline for sales to close, but they have no idea what happens once that sale is closed. So in order to really show the value of customer success, you should have a lagging metric as your team metric, but you should also really align what the heck you're doing across all your teams. And you can say that till your face turns blue, but it is an active thing that you have to continue making sure you're doing across teams as well. So those are my two things.